Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Simplii Financial app. In order to do so, first off, we're going to go to Google Play and you can search for Simplii, Simplii. It's also available on the iOS store as well. Once you have it installed, then we can go ahead and open it up and log in. We're just going to skip that part because we don't need to show my login details here, but we'll get past that part. That's the first thing you're going to want to do after you install it. Okay. And once we're all logged in, then this is the screen that you're going to see. Just have my details blanked out, but this is what you can expect. You'll find your checking account and any other accounts that you may have. You could see the ability to send money, and we have bill payments, and you can provide feedback as well. I'd also like to bring attention up at the top here where it says refer your crew and earn $125. Plus, they'll also earn $50. So if that sounds good to you, then you might want to consider using Simplii Financial. And if you want to take advantage of that referral in order to get that $50 to sign up, we're going to go ahead and add a link in the description. And if you want to just click on that and start an account with Simplii Financial, you'll get $50. So that's not too bad. And if you refer anybody, you'll get $125. So Simplii is definitely sweetening the pot, and I would recommend it to anybody who's looking for a new bank. And one of the nice things about it too is that they have a no-fee checking account. So if you're tired of spending fees on your checking account, you might want to check out Simplii Financial. We'll go ahead and go through a couple of other features here, and let's see what else we can find. So if we click on our three little dots here for the menu, then you'll see that you have a few options. You can transfer funds, you can pay a bill, you can do an e-deposit. So that's quite nice. If you have a check, then you can just deposit it straight with your camera on your phone. And there's also global money transfer as well. So Simplii does offer all of the basics that you would hope that your bank would give you. And the app is full featured, gives you all of the choices that you would expect. Let's continue on. And if we click on the menu up at the top left-hand corner, our three lines, and here we can find a few more options. We have our refer a friend link up at the top. If you click on that, then you can go through the process to get your referral link. We have bill payments, e-transfer. We can transfer funds, manage transactions. You can do a global money transfer. There's e-deposit. That's what we already took a look at there. You can order foreign cash. There's also other products that we can explore and more services, and you can find here at the bottom the FAQs, and if you want to contact Simplii, then you can do that. And back on the main page here, up at the top right-hand corner, you will find your profile icon. And if you click on that, then it will open up and you can make any changes to your profile that you need to make. I'm just going to leave that for now because that has some personal information and we don't need to be broadcasting that. But that's just to give you an idea of what you can expect here on the main page for Simplii. And let's go ahead and take a look at the Explore Products page, which you can find in the three-bar menu. And we have our no-fee daily banking. That's simple and straightforward. I can confirm it works as advertised. So far, I'm very happy with Simplii. It's nice to have a bank that doesn't charge you fees to use it. So you can see here we have bank accounts, credit card, mortgages, and borrowing. So Simplii does offer a checking account and also a savings account, and they also offer a credit card. Let's go ahead and take a look at the credit card. So you can get up to 10% cash back with the cashback Visa card. Enjoy 10% cash back on eligible restaurant, food delivery, and bar purchases up to $500 spend. Available to existing Simply clients who apply online and through telephone banking. There's no annual fee. Great rewards with no limit to the total cashback you can earn, with an annual interest rate of 20.99% for purchases and 22.99% for cash. And you can click here and apply for the Simplii Financial Cashback Visa card. So that's pretty much all there is to it. There are other options that we can explore, but as far as the basic functions of the Simplii app, that gives you an idea of what to expect. It's very simple, straightforward, and does what it claims to do. So if you're looking for an online bank and you are interested in the referral, then I would definitely recommend Simplii. And if you want to get $50 to start your account, just click on the referral link in the description and you can start your Simplii account and get $50. And if you refer a friend, you get $125. So everybody wins, and it's a pretty sweet deal. So I would highly recommend Simplii Financial. I've used it and I'm very happy with it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.